In the early 2000s, the notion of the web has been a mysterious outbreak that turns many people to be millionaires overnight. Alright, within the early 2000s, web version 1 was launched. This was the slowest version which ever existed because it has relatively less people who were into technology that much. So, people such as Bill Gates turned to see this as an opportunity which would blow within the next coming age. So, they invested more in the web version 1 to the point that they started creating products which could sell and yield them income. As time went forward, the web version 2 was launched. This was a very surprising age because things started getting worse as large amounts of data was being processed, which led to the need of more processors to process this data. Hardware industries that produce hardware devices which programs tend to run on them were sophisticated with so much work. The demand for computers was on the rise and everybody wanted to be among the growing force. Many people regarded this opportunity not to be an opportunity, but some took it as a privilege to invest more. As time went forward, one of the greatest billionaires in which we have heard over time, which is Mark Zuckerberg, emerged as a billionaire because he created a product out of the Web 2 world. Other billionaires such as Bill Gates also emerged as world richest people because they saw an opportunity within the Web version 2 world and started investing in it. As time goes forward, technology keeps changing and everything keeps updating within seconds. Before time, we had the Web version 1 and Web version 2. Today, everything keeps changing. The Web version changed from Web version 1 to Web version 2 and we are currently in the Web version 3. In this Web version 3 talks more about blockchain technology and how everything is synchronized. Alright, so large amount of data can be processed today due to the investment other people made with the opportunities in which they saw. Going back to time, we saw recently that when Web version 1 was launched, developers such as Bill Gates that invested more into this and those from other phone companies such as Apple that invested more into this turned to yield more results within the end. It turned to be a source of investment that made them billionaires overnight. As it went forward, other companies such as Facebook, Amazon, Instagram and WhatsApp back then saw it as a point of creating products for the public. Companies that invested more in Web 2 turned to have an increase in stocks, so their stocks grew over time. As time goes forward, everything changes. The web is changing every day. So we've recently had Web version 1, Web version 2 and now we are in Web version 3. Within the ratio of Web version 1, companies that produce hardware devices that could take people from the physical world to an online world were investing more in building devices that would do so. This led to the discovery of computers and mobile phones. Now, within the Web version 2, it was when the creation of socialization apps were made, such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other communication means in which we are using today, such as electronic mail. Companies such as Google turned to invest more in Web version 2, and within the last decades we have seen that Web version 2 have really blown so high that it made people billionaires over. Alright, the main question people turn to ask themselves is the implications of all this. Seeing this as an opportunity when the web was launched, many people did invest and it turned them to be millionaires overnight. Now, as time goes on, possibilities are being made in such a way that you as a mere individual can invest within the web without any problems. That is why the creation of NFTs, the blockchain technology and other technologies such as AI were launched. AI is just meant to make work easier for everyone, and also the blockchain technology is just a means of you storing money in a crypto-like manner. Alright, Web3 was just launched. Are you ready to invest in Web3 now and enjoy it after, or you are afraid that the Web3 technology will not be as productive as Web version 1 and Web version 2? If you did like this, please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more.